Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix bad URL on BeReal. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over to your settings, and once you're inside your settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Now once you're inside your general, tap on iPhone storage, and now once you're inside your iPhone storage and once it loads, what you need to do is scroll down until you find the BeReal app, and then once you have found it, tap on it, and on tapping you'll be provided with two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app. Now what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which is present in the app that might be causing the issues that you are facing. Now once that process is done, all you gotta do is go back and try again. If that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your app store, and then on the search bar simply type in BeReal, and then once it loads, tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. So that's a couple of things that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.